In the depths of the vast universe, galaxies float in majestic silence. Before you now is the spiral galaxy NGC6503. At first glance, everything seems normal. Millions of stars orbiting the center in perfect harmony. But behind this calm scene hides a major physical mystery about how these stars hold together. A mystery that Newton's laws failed to explain. Let's overlay physics onto the image. The yellow line you see now represents the predictions of Newton and Kepler. Notice how the momentum rises in the bright center. But watch what happens at the edges. The line collapses, the velocity drops. This is what the textbooks say. Distant stars must slow down because gravity weakens with distance. But when we pointed our telescopes to observe the truth, it was a shock. The white dots appearing now are the real data from the stars. They are not falling. They are flying high at a massive constant speed. Notice the terrifying gap between the yellow line and reality. The stars are moving at impossible speeds as if a ghost is pushing them, or as if our laws themselves need rewriting. And here comes the role of new physics. The blue line launching now represents the Dynamic Coupling Model, DCCM. Watch how it rises powerfully to embrace the real data point by point. Once the coupling equation is applied, the gaps vanish and the errors disappear. The model succeeds in explaining the galaxy's speed entirely with amazing accuracy without forcing us to invent dark matter we cannot see. So, what is the secret? Look at the graph below. It is the theory's mathematical engine. Instead of adding imaginary mass, we added a coupling factor that depends on distance. The further we get from the center, the higher this factor rises, giving an extra boost to gravity to keep the galaxy intact. This mathematical solution restores balance to the universe and allows us to understand galaxies from a completely new physical perspective. In conclusion, true science does not seek applause, it seeks the truth. Therefore, this model is not just a closed equation, but an open invitation for testing. I have set red lines here, explicit falsifiability criteria. If future observations find galaxies that break this coupling law, the theory will stand corrected. We accept the possibility of error because we trust the method. For in science, as in life, he who dares not to err will never have the chance to succeed.